I've checked everything, sir. Financial details, transactions, everything. But nothing was found. You've got a meeting to attend today, right? Everyone is going to be present there. What are you going to tell them?
I don't think there is any other option but to apologize.
It's okay, sir. You did everything for the sake of Reddy Corporation. You did for Dad's sake, so it's okay.
This world isn't kind like you, Anushka.
Sir, I think I should attend the meeting with you.
No, dear, you don't have to. And I'm not scared of anything. I haven't done anything wrong. Has everyone arrived?
Yes, Mr. Prabhakar. Mr. KK is waiting for you. You gave him the details just because he asked you to. But brother, there's a thing called limit.
Just because you think that you are close to KK, you can do and you can ask for anything you wish.
What are you doing, Ashok? Shake hands with him first. You didn't even come to the party. The most loved politician of our country doesn't even have time to meet his old friends. Sit down. Sit down, Prabhakar.
I'll be here. You may go.
Prabhakar, did you ask for their financial details?
I suspect that it is one of them who has joined hands with Goel. That's why we didn't back that airline deal.
Think before you say something, Prabhakar.
KK, did you see that? He behaves like this in your presence. Imagine what he does in your absence. He's suspicious of us. Of us.
Stop, please.
Looks like every security guard has a problem with me.
Sir, you're not allowed to come inside.
Let me go.
Let him in. What are you doing here?
I want something important to discuss with Mr. KK. Where's the meeting going on?
So tell me. I'll convey the message if I find it important.
It's adult talk. I can't tell you all that. I'll say that to your dad.
So do one thing. Sit there and wait for the meeting to get over, okay?
Prabhakar, I am KK's son's father-in-law. Do you have any suspicion on me?
KK is not new to me, Prabhakar. Our friendship is years old.
KK, if you have suspicion on us, then talk to us directly. Don't insult us through Prabhakar.
I cannot think clearly in this commotion. Prabhakar, you checked all the documents. Did you find anything?
No, I didn't find anything.
KK, now the question is, if not us, then who's that person? I have suspicion on Prabhakar.
Absolutely. That's possible. It's very much possible. It could be that you have joined hands with Goel. After all, you are going to retire soon. I'm sure that you are in need of money, isn't it?
If our accounts are being scrutinized, then we should check Prabhakar's accounts too. What if he is the culprit and we do not know about it? I think you should check his travel plans. Committing frauds and fleeing the country is a fashion these days.
Hira.
Mr. Rao, greetings.
Greetings, Siddhant. How are you?
I had some important work with Mr. KK.
No, Siddhant. You cannot go inside.
Yes, Anushka.
Oh, hey, listen. Why are you changing my gender?
Where did you fall down?
You are already mad. Why are you making me crazy?
In the bathroom. Okay, I'll be right there. Mr. Rao, where is Anushka's bathroom? Tell me soon. The way she was shouting, it seems like she's fractured her bones. Where's the bathroom?
Listen, Siddhant. You stand here. I will go and assist Anushka. And listen, don't allow anyone inside. There's an important meeting going on inside, okay?
Okay. I'll stand right here. I don't know what I have to see if I go over there.
Siddhant? What are you doing here? Siddhant! Siddhant?
Siddhant? What are you doing here?
Siddhant. There's a meeting going on here. This is not a good time.
Hey, Siddhant. Didn't I tell you that there's an important meeting going on?
I just want 1 minute, Mr. KK.
Excuse me? What's going on here? How dare he barge inside? KK, don't you think you have given too much freedom to Prabhakar and his son?
Gentlemen, this meeting is over.
I know who's behind this airline deal failure.
You mean to say that you were able to do what your father could not do? Sorry, KK. I don't have time for all of this.
I know this boy. Sit down. Sit.
है तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू